What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the aftermarket. So as you can see, a little hint under here, the intercooler install is done. I ended up going with Berger Motorsports for the intercooler job, and one of the reasons why I did that is because their intercooler has a pre-drilled hole for the charge pipe injection kit. So we got it all hooked up. I still got to tuck these wires. You can see them here. A whole bunch of mess there. I'm going to explain later why that happened. But one of the things that I have to do now, so the first time driving this car and putting it under the new 20 pounds of boost up from 16 previously, basically, let me see if I can get a shot of this here, but the pipe on this side, so this is a Kia Stinger kit. The intercooler on Berger Motorsports for the G70 is actually made for the Kia Stinger, which to JB4's defense, or Berger Motorsports' defense, they do mention it's not specifically built for the G70. So the pipe on this side that comes off the intercooler is too short for the GV70 or the G70, and it actually came off completely under boost. So right now, as far as I can tell, the intercooler hose that's attached here has completely come off, and basically I need to pull the bumper again. And what I'm going to be doing is installing a longer double beaded pipe that you can get for $20 on Amazon here. So with the two beads on each side, I should be able to clamp that on and get that to stay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the bumper, and then I'll be back. All right, so as you can see, the bumper is off. If you guys need a tutorial on how to remove the bumper, I'm not gonna bother doing one. It's very similar to the Kia Stinger, which Berger Motorsports has a tutorial on. So you can check that out. There's a few more bolts up at the top, but that's about it. So our suspicions were correct. I mean, you can see this pipe did not hold, completely blew off under boost. So what we're gonna do is just get in there, replace that with this piece right here, which again, you can see the problem with this is that it doesn't have another bead on this side, so it slips off pretty easily. This one should do a much better job, and I think we'll be good to go. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I did get new wheels as well as tint the car, but that's for another video. So as you can see, the car is back together, and let's go on the first drive. Let's see how this CPI does. I'm currently on E35. Some of you may be surprised by this, but my 0 to 60 was actually significantly worse than even on the stock map with bolt-ons. My Kumos cannot handle the extra power, and it is what it is. I didn't even bother wasting time to try different modes or try different launches. I can just tell I'm going to need wider and better rear tires to get a good 0 to 60 time. So the next thing I wanted to try was a 20 to 80, and I think here you can really see the difference. The car is making great power, and you'll actually hear a little bit of wheel spin at 25 miles per hour, which is just nutty. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want more information about the intercooler install or the charge pipe injection, just let me know in the comments, and I will do a video. I did film an instructional, just deciding whether I want to put that together for you guys, so let me know. In the next video, I'm going to cover the wheels that I chose, which was from Niche Wheels, as well as the fitment, because I always struggle finding the right fitment, and I had a lot of good guys help me out on that, as well as tire selection if you're going with this size wheel. Again, like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you soon.